Hawak natin right now is the OnePlus Ace 5. And I'll quickly tell you what are the things na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya. Firstly is that this is being powered by the very powerful na Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Okay na okay ang processing power nito. You can play all games sa gusto mo, Wuthering Waves, Firelight 84. You can also play si Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Warzone. Wala kang magiging problema dito sa phone na ito. Another thing is okay ang kanyang camera. Despite na wala siyang telephoto lens compared sa kanyang global variant na 13R, kaya pa rin naman na mag-perform. There are some people na hindi mo naman kailangan ng telephoto lens, by the way. Pero yung kanyang other lenses, like the front-facing camera, parehong-pareho sa 13R. Another thing is yung kanyang design. I love yung kanyang design. Simple lang, matte finish siya ng likod, and meron siyang ringer toggle dito sa gilid. Plus, what I like dito sa kanya is ang linis ng kanyang OS, no? Color OS 15, walang bloatwares, walang mga ads, no? So definitely you get a really nice na experience dito sa OnePlus Ace 5. And the best thing na pwede ko masabi sa inyo is that ang presyo niya is very friendly para sa Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This cost only around 22,000 pesos. Imagine nyo guys, no? And pag kinompare mo sa OnePlus 13R na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, 38,990. So, kayo guys, would you spend your money on the OnePlus Ace 5? Let me know in the comments, and kung gusto nyo makita full review nito, soon, ilalabas ko na sa aking YouTube channel. So, I'll see you there.